And he did something very strange. He began raising an issue with my phone. He just claimed that I was recording him. So I told him, I'm not recording you for heaven's sake. I'm not an idiot. I don't record people. So I said, okay, to make you comfortable, let me hand over my phone. So I handed over my phone to one of the people I had come with, my security detail, and they took it out. Then the second thing, he comes in and tells me, do you know that you cannot accuse the president of anything? I said, where do you get that? He says it's in the law. I asked him which section of the law. He didn't even know. So I told him, the only thing you can do is look at Article 143 and read it out, which he did. And Article 143 does not stop the president from being investigated and being recorded. It only stops his being prosecuted. He cannot be prosecuted in a court. But the president can be arrested, the president can be processed criminally by the police. They have that power. The president is not above the law. So after I showed him that, he sort of became angry and began shouting at me and saying, I'm not going to record your statement. You can go anywhere you want, but we are not recording your statement. And so stop wasting your time here. Well, at that point, I saw that there was no point dealing with somebody who thinks he can operate outside the law. So I decided to say, okay, I will pack and go. And I intend to go to IPOA. I intend to go to the police headquarters. As for Mr. Kazungu, I'm going to sue him here in Kisii for denying me public services for which I pay. He earns a salary. He's supposed to serve all Kenyans. He was not supposed to argue with me, beginning to say that I'm bringing lies, that he was at the rally, he didn't hear the president say that. And that is how you create dictators. When you begin protecting and covering up for for violations of the law, and you are a law enforcer, you embolden the lawbreaker to do worse things than that. So from here, I'm going back to Nairobi, to the police headquarters. I'll try to get Mr. Kome to record my statement, the Inspector General. And I also want to involve IPOA against Mr. Kazungu, as I also prosecute him for violating my right to be served by the state. So those are the few remarks I have. But I am taking what the president said seriously. I'm not going to blink, but also I'm not going to withdraw from the court. We are going to use the court because the court is a legitimate forum for settling disputes. And the president, he talks of his being not unstoppable. My advice to him is that he's only unstoppable if he's operating within the law. The moment he steps outside the law, he's stopped by the Constitution.